Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't had a chance to, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And while you are there, definitely take a look at some of our older videos, sure to find something you like. So today's video is going to be a semi-relaxing video, which means there'll be some talking but not much. Let's take a look at some cozy living rooms right in time for fall. Can you guys believe that fall is right around the corner? It just seems strange to me. It feels like we just got into summer, but fall is quickly approaching you all, and now is the time to really cozy up those spaces in our home, like our living rooms and bedrooms and heck, even dining areas or kitchen. And if you want that cozy, I mean, totally up to you. So I've noticed that a lot of these living rooms use more neutral colors: whites, beiges, tans, taupes, creams, somewhere in there. It really, gives a cozy vibe, a nice color with some warmth in it. Also, the usage of blankets draped over everything from sofas to chairs, everywhere you can kind of drape a blanket, that also gives you a sense of being cozy. Also, if you'll take notice of the use of throw pillows throughout, it seems like every sofa and chair has one. And think, when you sit in a chair and you lean back against that nice, soft, comfortable pillow, it does give you that sense of just being really warm, cozy, and tucked in. It's a great feeling. Lastly, if you take a look, most of these rooms, not all, but most, have nice area rugs as well. There's nothing like being on the sofa and sitting your feet down as you're about to stand up and feeling that nice soft feeling under your feet. This is especially important if you have hardwood floors or tiles, whether it's, laminate tiles, vinyl, or whatever. Especially in the wintertime, it gets really cold. So that's always a good look to have. I have a friend that has hardwood floors throughout. However, she keeps an area rug in her garage, and she only really moves it in the house during the fall and winter. I feel like that's a lot of work, but it's the way that she does it. It works for her beautifully. So hey, if that's what you want to do, you should definitely go ahead and do it. You'll also see lots of books, lots of collections, like this collection of plates, lots of things that really are personal to the person living there. That also invokes a feeling of being safe, of being cozy. Not to mention, a lot of these rooms have fireplaces. Now, if you are not able to have a fireplace in your living room or your bedroom, whatever room, there's always like faux or mock fireplaces that you can get to place in that room. You don't have to hook them up into like your natural gas line or anything like that. All you do is plug it in, and it will give you that cozy feeling of being next to a fireplace. And if all else fails and you don't want to do that, YouTube has various fireplace channels. I know that sounds silly, but sometimes just turning your TV and having a nice fire going really will give you that sense of being cozy, like almost in a winter cabin. It's always an idea, and it is free. I'm gonna let you all enjoy the rest of this video. I will be back towards the end, but as I ask at the end of this video, what do you do to make your home feel cozy? I don't know about you, but a lot of these homes with the stone, the wood, the windows, overlooking some of these just really beautiful landscapes just totally give me winter skiing trip vibes. I love it. I feel like it would be so awesome to have a house like that. I just think it's beautiful. Okay, so instead of asking which room is your favorite, I want to know, what do you do to make your room feel cozy? Answer down below. And if you want to know one of my favorite rooms out of this video, it was this one. Isn't this room beautiful? I absolutely love it. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.